In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to set up call screening on your iPhone or iPad with iOS 26 update. So this call screening guys is a really great features. So what do you have to do? You have to first of all to set up, go open your setting app. Now just go to the apps option, and in app you have to go open the phone app. Now once you're over here, you have to scroll down, and here you will see this option called screen unknown callers. So you have to enable this option, ask the reason for calling. So once you enable this option, so when an unknown number calls, Siri automatically answers and asks the caller for their name and reason for calling, and your iPhone or iPad just transcribe the response for you in real time, and you can then decide to answer the call or type a reply or end the call. So yeah, that's how guys you can do it. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.